Digitalrooar, an emerging name in today's digital world. Digitalrooar is specialised in providing website design and development services, mobile solutions, digital marketing solutions, video animation, live chat agent. With locations across Australia and back office in India, Digitalrooar's team consists of skilled creative artists, mobile developers, front-end developers, back-end developers, project managers, and marketing strategists. Some of our industries that we serve: automotive, finance, our technology, why you want to outsource your digital marketing work to Digitalrooar? That's easy. We have the right experience and expertise that you need to increase your company's sales and profit significantly. We create engaging marketing videos and handle all your social media marketing. We can do all this for your business and even more, including search engine optimization, digital branding, pay-per-click marketing, web hosting, and domain services. All this at an affordable price. So why wait? Drop us an email at info@digitalrooar.com.au and one of our consultants will get in touch with you to discuss all your digital needs.